Hello everyone. In our previous lecture we discussed about the nucleophilic addition reaction and two example of nucleophilic addition reaction in which one is the HCN and other is the sodium bisulfite. Both reaction are important and we prepare a important compound by using the nucleophilic addition reaction with HCN of carbonyl compound. It gives the lactic acid. Now third example of nucleophilic addition reaction of carbonyl compound with GR. GR is the RMgX. Clear? It is the Grignard reagent and we know that this is the alkyl group. It means we are talking about the carbon and it is the metal, and we know that the electronegativity of carbon is greater than metal. So carbon behave as a nucleophile and it is the partial positive charge. So we can say the alkyl group of Gr is the nucleophile. Alkyl group of Gr is the nucleophile. Clear? We have two types of carbonyl compound. We know that when Gr react with aldehyde and कीटोन, और एल्डिहाइड को भी क्या कर रहे हैं अपन, सेपरेट कर रहे हैं. फर्स्ट इज द फॉर्मल्डिहाइड. HC double bond O. Second is the remaining aldehyde other than formaldehyde. Clear? Aldehyde, it is the RCH double bond O. But this R क्या नहीं होना चाहिए, H नहीं होना चाहिए. When Grignard reagent react with carbonyl compound, then the types of reaction is the nucleophilic addition reaction. Clear? और ये रिएक्शन आपकी एल्कोहल के चैप्टर में भी पढ़ी हुई है. और थर्ड वन इज द कीटोन where the both valency of carbonyl carbon attach with alkyl group. It gives the 1 degree alcohol, it gives the 2 degree alcohol, and it gives the 3 degree alcohol. You can separate the formaldehyde and aldehyde other than formaldehyde and ketone. Clear? We know that carbonyl compound react with Gr, then the types of the mechanism of the reaction is the nucleophilic addition reaction. And you memorized when formaldehyde react with Gr, then it gives the 1 degree alcohol. When aldehyde react with Gr, then it gives the 2 degree alcohol. And when ketone react with Gr, then it gives the 3 degree alcohol. Let's see the examples. HC double bond O plus CH3 MgCl. It is the nucleophile and it is the positive charge. It is partial positive and partial negative. First is the nucleophilic addition reaction or carbonyl carbon. Electron density transfer to oxygen atom, and what you get the result, we get HHCCH3 and oxygen negative charge Mg plus और ये Cl, and after hydrolysis we get CH3CH2OH. It is the ethanol or it is the 1 degree alcohol, and this alcohol have one extra carbon than Gr. Alcohol has one extra carbon than Gr. Is that clear? यही रिएक्शन आपने एल्कोहल वाले चैप्टर में भी स्टडी की है. When Gr react with formaldehyde, then it gives the 1 degree alcohol. What is the specific nature of this 1 degree alcohol? This 1 degree alcohol has one extra carbon than Gr. Gr contain only the one carbon atom, and what you get the result? This is our ethanol. It contain the 1 and 2 carbon. Is that clear? This is the reaction of Gr with formaldehyde. Next reaction of aldehyde and Gr. CH3H डबल बॉन्ड हो। देखिए आप फॉर्मल्डिहाइड लोगे तो क्या बनेगा आपके पास 1 डिग्री एल्कोहल। एक तरीका और है मेमोराइज करने का, इफ बोथ आर द हाइड्रोजन अटैच कार्बोनाइल कार्बन देन इट गिव्स द 1 डिग्री एल्कोहल। इफ वन हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस बाय वन एल्काइल ग्रुप देन इट गिव्स 2 डिग्री एल्कोहल। इफ another hydrogen replaced by another alkyl group then it gives the 3 डिग्री एल्कोहल। इट मीन्स आप सिर्फ ये याद रखिए कि फॉर्मल्डिहाइड के साथ रिएक्शन होगी देन वी गेट द 1 डिग्री एल्कोहल, देन रिप्लेस द वन हाइड्रोजन देन वी गेट द 2 डिग्री एल्कोहल, देन रिप्लेस द अनदर हाइड्रोजन वी गेट द 3 डिग्री एल्कोहल। एंड दिस इज द CH3MgCl, दिस इज द नेगेटिव चार्ज अटैक ऑन कार्बोनाइल कार्बन विच इज पार्शियल पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव electron density transfer to more electronegative oxygen atom, then it convert CH3, then I put this H with this carbon and this CH3 attach with this carbon atom, it is the CH3 and oxygen negative charge and Mgx, and after hydrolysis you get CH3CHOH, it is the 2 degree alcohol. Is that clear? And when ketone react with Gr then it gives the 3 degree alcohol. It is the CH3 C double bond O plus CH3 MgCl. It is the negative charge attack on carbonyl carbon, same pattern. It is the nucleophilic addition reaction and electron density transfer to more electronegative oxygen atom, then we get CH3C, and this CH3 also attached with this carbon, it is the CH3 and oxygen पे negative charge Mg plus X, and after hydrolysis we get 3 degree alcohol, CH3 and this convert into OH. Clear? It is the 3 degree alcohol. Then you memorize some important point of this reaction. First, the reaction between the Gr and carbonyl compound is the nucleophilic addition reaction. The alkyl group of Gr behave as a nucleophile. By using the carbonyl compound and Gr, we can prepare the 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol. That's reaction already studied in alcohol chapter. When formaldehyde react then it gives the 1 degree alcohol. और आप इसे केवल कहाँ तक मेमोराइज रखें, एल्डिहाइड फॉर्मल्डिहाइड तक ही मेमोराइज रखें. आफ्टर इट you memorize when we replace the one hydrogen of formaldehyde with alkyl group, then it gives the 2 degree alcohol. If another hydrogen replace, then we get the 3 degree alcohol. Is that clear? This is the way by which we can prepare the 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol by using the Gr. Next, and the last one, reaction of nucleophilic addition reaction with carbonyl compound and alcohol. Nucleophilic addition reaction. Fourth example, with alcohol. This is the C double bond O plus, suppose both are the hydrogen और alkyl group. इसका कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा यदि मैं कीटोन लूँ, यहाँ एल्डिहाइड लूँ. सपोज मैंने पहले इट इज़ द एल्डिहाइड, वी नो दैट इट इज़ द एसिटाल्डिहाइड, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू रिएक्ट विद alcohol. It is the methanol. Clear? The lone pair on oxygen atoms, it means oxygen is the nucleophile of this reaction. Oxygen behave as a nucleophile. न्यूक्लियोफाइल का मीन्स ये या तो उसके पास नेगेटिव चार्ज है या फिर उसके साथ क्या है, लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है. एंड वी क्लियरली सीन if strong nucleophile are available then reaction proceed in same manner. With weak nucleophile then you carried out the reaction in the acidic medium. So this nucleophile attack on this carbon atom and electron density transfer to oxygen atom. Then we get the CH3, we get the H, CH3 and negative charge oxygen H, CH3. This oxygen is the trivalent, so it bears the partial positive. This is not the ideal form of this oxygen, and this is also not the ideal form of this oxygen atom. We know that in ideal form, oxygen is bivalent and contain the two lone pair of electron. It means it can easily give the 1H plus and get it ideal position, get it ideal condition. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ यहाँ से ये क्या करेगा, यहाँ से एक H plus को डोनेट करेगा and gain the ideal position, and this H captured by this oxygen atom and this is also gain the ideal condition. Then we can say fast H plus transfer. After the H plus transfer we get COH and OCH3. The forming compound is known as the hemiacetal. Hemiacetal. What is the mean by hemi? Hemi represent the half. Hemi represent the half. When carbonide, this is the aldehyde. Suppose aldehyde react with 1 mole of alcohol, 1 mole of alcohol, then forming compound this after H plus transfer, it is known as the acetal. It is known as the hemiacetal. Clear? When ketone react with 1 mole of alcohol, then it gives the hemiketal. Hemiketal. Is that clear? When aldehyde react with 1 mole of alcohol, then forming compound is known as the hemiacetal. What is the mean by hemi? It is the half acetal. What is the half acetal? This compound have कार्बोनाइल ऑक्सीजन. देखिए ये यहाँ पे क्या था आपके पास, सपोज मैं इसके कोई स्पॉट कर दूं आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए, क्या है मेरे पास कार्बोनाइल ऑक्सीजन है. क्लियर? और ये क्या है मेरे पास कार्बोनाइल ऑक्सीजन, ये क्या है मेरे पास कार्बोनाइल ऑक्सीजन. यदि मैं इसके अब 1 मोल के साथ और रिएक्शन और करवा दूं, सपोज हेमीएसिटेल अगेन रिएक्ट विद 1 mole of alcohol, 1 mole of alcohol, then it convert into complete acetal. When ketone react with 1 mole of alcohol, then it gives the hemiketal. When hemiketal further react with 1 mole of alcohol, then it convert the ketal. Clear? It means when aldehyde react with 2 mole of alcohol, then it gives the acetal. When ketone react with 2 mole of alcohol, then it gives the ketal. It means aldehyde form the acetal and ketone form the ketal. Clear? And what is the story of hemiacetal and acetal? Hemiacetal means forming compound have the oxygen of carbonyl group. Then again react the hemiacetal with alcohol, the second mole of alcohol. It gives the OCH3H, and this H goes to this OH and minus H2 liberate from the reaction. Then it gives the HCH3, COCH3 and OCH3. This oxygen is the part of alcohol. This oxygen also the part of alcohol, and the water molecule contain the oxygen of C double bond O. Clear? It means hemiacetal contain the one oxygen, hemiacetal contain the oxygen of carbonyl. If we substitute this oxygen of carbonyl compound, then forming compound is known as the acetal or ketal if we use the ketone in the reaction mixture. Clear? When ketone react with 1 mole of the alcohol, then it gives the hemiacetal. Hemiacetal means it contains the carbonyl oxygen. When hemiacetal again react with the other mole of alcohol, then it gives the acetal. Acetal means no carbonyl oxygen in the compound. Is that clear? Now suppose examiner says that CH3CHO and एरो साइन पे मान लीजिए वो लिख दे 2 मोल ऑफ मिथेनॉल, then what is the final product? Final product is our acetal. Is that clear? And suppose examiner says that what happens when methyl alcohol react with 1 mole of alcohol, 1 mole of alcohol, then the forming product is the hemiacetal. Clear? We are talking of, we take an example of important reaction. What happen when acetaldehyde react with ethylene alcohol? What happen when acetaldehyde CH3CHO, this is the acetaldehyde, react with CH2OH and CH2OH. It is the ethylene alcohol. Clear? It is the ethylene alcohol, and this ethylene alcohol have the 2OH group. It means what is the mean by this reaction? It is the reaction of aldehyde plus 2 mole of alcohol. And we know that what happen when aldehyde react with 2 mole of alcohol, then it gives the acetal. Is that clear? So we write the reaction mechanism. CH3H, C double bond O plus H, H oxygen, CH2, CH2 and H. Sorry, CH2, H and this OH. और रिएक्शन कहाँ से हो जाएगी इसके अंदर? ऑक्सीजन से, और एल्कोहल प्रोवाइड द 2 हाइड्रोजन. क्लियर? दिस इज माइनस H2O, CH3, CH and oxygen. This is CH2 and this is CH2. This carbon represent the CH2. It is the cyclic acetal. It is the cyclic acetal. Is that clear? That is our 4 example of nucleophilic addition reaction, and we repeat the all reaction. What happened? Nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophilic addition reaction. We know that nucleophilic addition reaction is the specific reaction, specific, or we can say it is the characteristic reaction of C double bond O compound, यानी कि कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड की, मीन्स कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड की बात अपन कर रहे हैं. क्लियर? और रिएक्टिविटी ऑर्डर क्या होगा आपका? इसका रिएक्टिविटी ऑर्डर की बात कर रहे हैं अपन, तो रिएक्टिविटी ऑर्डर 2 फैक्टर पे डिपेंड करता था. एक तो किस पे? प्लस आई फैक्ट पे, एंड सेकंड इज द स्टेरिक इफेक्ट. And what is the order of some carbonyl compound? It is the formaldehyde and acetaldehyde and acetone, and you can take the other example in which the size of alkyl group CH3 CH2, iso, tertiary or phenyl. Clear? और सपोज आपके पास क्या है? इफ़ यू हैव द पुअर न्यूक्लियोफाइल, देन रिएक्शन प्रोसीड इन एसिडिक मीडियम. इज दैट क्लियर? एंड द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन विद फर्स्ट इज द HCN, second is the NaHSO3, and third with RMgX, and fourth with alcohol. All 4 reactions are important. What happens when carbonyl compound react with HCN? Then it gives the cyanohydrin. Clear? and cyanohydrin undergoes acidic hydrolysis, then it gives the alpha hydroxy acid. And you know that we prepare the CH3, we prepare the lactic acid by using this reaction from acetaldehyde. This is the main and important question which is asked by the examiner. Clear? And what is the utilization of reaction when carbonyl compound react with sodium bisulfite? Then it gives an adduct which is decomposed, or we can say the reaction is reversible in presence of weak acidic or weak basic medium. Is that clear? It means this reaction is used for the purification of carbonyl compound. Is that clear? And what is the utilization of this reaction? This reaction gives the 1 degree alcohol and 2 degree alcohol and 3 degree alcohol. 1 degree alcohol when Gr react with formaldehyde, when Gr react with acetaldehyde, when Gr react with CH3 C double bond O acetone. And what is the utilization of this reaction? By using this reaction, we prepare the hemiacetal and hemiketal, and this hemiacetal convert in acetal, and this hemiketal convert into ketal when react with alcohol carbonyl compound. When first mole of alcohol react with aldehyde, then it form the hemiacetal, then it convert the acetal. This is the way by which you can revise your topic. जब भी आप ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री पढ़ रहे हो तो ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री को देखो, स्टूडेंट्स मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम से देयर सर ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री को बार बार हम क्या करते हैं, याद नहीं रख पाते हैं, हमारी क्लिक नहीं होती. तो आप इसको अपना मोड चेंज कीजिए पढ़ने के लिए. सपोज जैसे ये टॉपिक मैंने अभी पढ़ा, क्लियर, and after the study of this topic I revise the old topic, what is the characteristic reaction of the carbonyl compound, then I remind this nucleophilic addition reaction. Clear? Or we can say it is the characteristic reaction of carbonyl compound. Is that clear? And this is the common factor. If a strong nucleophile take in the reaction, there is no problem in the reaction proceed in same manner in forward direction. But with poor nucleophile, reaction is reversible, so we take the acidic medium, then reaction proceed in forward direction. What is the reactivity order of nucleophilic addition reaction? We know that the reactivity order of the nucleophilic addition reaction of carbonyl compound depends on two factors. First is the plus I effect and second is the steric effect. On increasing the plus I group on carbonyl carbon, clear, the electrophilicity of the carbonyl carbon decreases, then the reactivity decreases. On increasing the size of alkyl group on carbonyl carbon, reactivity also decreases because nucleophile does not found the space to attack on the carbonyl carbon. And all of four are the example of nucleophilic addition reaction. And what is the utilization? आप क्या करिए, स्मॉल नोट्स बना लीजिए इनके, इनसे आप रिवाइज कीजिए. व्हाट इज द यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन? बाय यूजिंग द न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन we can prepare the cyanohydrin also undergoes hydrolysis, give the alpha hydroxy acid. Then remind your example, we prepare the lactic acid by using the acetaldehyde and hydrogen cyanide. What is the utilization of the sodium bisulfite reaction with the carbonyl compound? We know that the forming addition product is reversible in presence of dilute base or dilute base. It gives the carbonyl compound. It means impurity of the carbonyl compound remain with the sodium bisulfite and we get the pure carbonyl compound. Therefore, this reaction is used for the purification of the carbonyl compound. What happened? We react the carbonyl compound with RHA, then we get the 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol, and we memorize only formaldehyde. Formaldehyde contain both side hydrogen. Clear? It means it gives the 1 degree alcohol which have the 1 extra carbon then Gr. If we replace the 1 hydrogen by alkyl group, then we get the 2 degree alcohol. If we replace the both hydrogen of alkyl group, then we get the 3 degree alcohol. Clear? And what is the utilization of this reaction? By the utilization of this reaction, when carbonyl compound react with alcohol, then it gives the hemiacetal or hemiketal. Hemiacetal when further react with another molecule of the alcohol, then it gives the acetal and ketal. In next lecture, we study about the next reaction of carbonyl compound, which is the nucleophilic addition elimination reaction. Is that clear? Thank you and have a nice day.